Now there's one other button on our main screen right here. It's called Upload. So we could just click on this right here and we can see we can upload files or even folders. You can see here the settings. You can check convert uploaded files to the Google Docs format. So if you have a Microsoft Word document, it can change it into a Google Doc format. Now you might lose some of the formatting. You'll have to go and check how that works out. But what's good about that is it doesn't take up any of your storage space. You can also have it convert the text from PDF files and image files, which again may or may not work very well. And I like to confirm settings before each upload because sometimes I want it to convert, sometimes I just want the document to be as the document. So you can leave the files exactly as is. Now here it shows how much memory you're using. So you only get about 1 gig here for files that are not Google Docs. So anything you created in Google Docs doesn't take up any of your space. Now, one tip is you can actually drag files right into your documents list. So a couple ways to do it. So the first one is just click on Upload, select Files, and it's just going to take you here to files that are on your computer. Okay, so I'll just do 13.1 notes, the document, and click Open, and I think I'll go ahead and convert this one. You can see it's uploading and it's finishing. Okay, so if we go to the home screen here, you can see we have 13.1 notes, and this is in a Google Docs format. So you can see some of the editing might get misplaced a little bit, but it does a pretty good job for the most part. Now here, let me just drag that to Techno Lunch. Okay, you can also upload an entire folder. So if I wanted all of Chapter 13, I could take all of Chapter 13. I don't think I would want that though. Let's just upload this SAT folder here. And go ahead and convert everything, that's fine. Now you can see what it did. It created an actual collection, which was the same as your folder. And now it's uploading each doc separately. Okay, so you can see in SAT here, all my documents were uploaded. And it changed all of my docx's into actual Google Docs. And the PDFs it left as PDFs. So the PDFs would count towards my file storage amount, but the Google Doc would not. Now notice this is a .gwb file. This is just a file that I have on my computer, and it's not a document. It's not a PowerPoint, it's not a spreadsheet. And so if I click on that, okay, no preview available because it doesn't know what it is, but you can still download that. So that's kind of the storage aspect of Google Docs. Okay, so you can actually upload any type of file into this. You just wouldn't be able to view it through Google Docs. Now I want to show you that you can also drag and drop. Okay, so if I want to upload this file right here, Contemporary Math Exit Survey, you can drag it and you can drop it. And it's going to ask me my settings, and I do want it to convert. So it's starting my upload there. Okay. Now, since I dropped it here and I was in the SAT folder, it's actually already in my SAT folder. Okay. Notice it's also in Home. So it's in Home and in SAT. Now, if this wasn't open, you could actually drag and drop it to anything. So I'm going to drag and drop it into Techno Lunch. Okay. You can see it was added right there to Techno Lunch. Alright, so pretty cool stuff right there. So let's try and drag and drop a folder. So we'll drag it. It looks like we got the plus, but you notice nothing happens here. So you can't drag and drop the folders, at least not yet. You have to do that through the upload menu. Alright, once your files are here, then everything that you could do with the other Google Docs, you can do with your new files. If you don't convert them to Google Docs, it would just be a docx, and you wouldn't actually be able to edit it in Google Docs, but you would be able to share a file that way.